Toshimitsu Motegi, representing Tochigi Prefecture's 5th electoral district, and has served as Minister for Foreign Affairs since a cabinet reshuffle by Prime Minister Shinzo Abe on the 11th of September 2019. A native of Ashikaga, Tochigi, Motegi was born on the 7th of October 1955. He graduated from the University of Tokyo in 1978 and worked for trading company Marubeni Corporation from 1978 to 1980. He thereafter received a postgraduate Master of Public Policy degree from Harvard's John F. Kennedy School of Government in 1983. Then worked as a political reporter for Yomiuri Shimbun in 1983. And at the consultancy McKinsey & Co. from 1984 to 1992. He was elected to the House of Representatives for the first time in the 1993 general election as a member of the Japan New Party, representing the Tochigi 5th District. He joined the LDP in 1995. He was appointed Senior Vice Minister for Foreign Affairs in October 2002 under Prime Minister Junichiro Koizumi. Koizumi promoted him to Minister of State for Okinawa and Northern Territories Affairs, Science and Technology Policy, and Information Technology in September 2003. On the 1st of August 2008, Yasuo Fukuda appointed him as State Minister in charge of Financial Services and Administrative Reforms. He was a visiting professor at Waseda University's Graduate School of Global Information and Telecommunication Studies from 2005 to 2010, following the LDP's success in the 2012 general election, resulting in Shinzo Abe's election as Prime Minister. Motegi was named as Minister for Economy, Trade and Industry in December 2012. He left the cabinet in September 2014 to serve as chairman of the Liberal Democratic Party Election Committee. He was appointed chairman of the LDP Policy Council in August 2016. Motegi was appointed Minister for Economic Revitalization and State Minister for Economic and Fiscal Policy in 2017. As minister, he was sent as a special envoy to sign the Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership in Santiago, Chile. In August 2019, Motegi led negotiations with U.S. Trade Representative Robert Lighthizer to finalize a new trade pact between Japan and the United States. Nikkei dubbed Motegi, Japan's Trump whisperer, in recognition of his role in negotiating with U.S. President Donald Trump and his administration. Abe appointed Motegi as Foreign Minister in September 2019 in recognition of this success. In 2018, Motegi was revealed to have possibly breached Japan's electoral laws. He was accused of making illegal donations of incense sticks to his constituents through his personal secretary. Opposition parties called for his resignation. He was active in gathering support for Abe's re-election as president of the Liberal Democratic Party that year. Motegi condemned the 2019 Turkish offensive into northeastern Syria. He said in a statement, "Japan is deeply concerned that the latest military operation would make the settlement of Syrian crisis more difficult and cause further deterioration of the humanitarian situation." Japan once again underscores its position that the Syrian crisis cannot be solved by any military means. Prime Minister Yoshihide Suga retained Motegi as foreign minister after taking office in September 2020, as Suga was known to be weak in foreign affairs. This gave Motegi an opportunity to build his reputation and brand, while maintaining the foreign policy initiatives started under the Abe government. In October 2020, Motegi met with UK International Trade Secretary Liz Truss to sign a bilateral economic partnership agreement that is estimated to raise British exports to Japan by 17.2% and Japanese exports to Britain by 79.9% in 15 years, as compared to 2019 levels. In the trade package, British import tariffs are expected to reduce by up to 60% for Kobe beef, 31% for the Japanese chocolate snack Pocky, 22% for bluefin tuna, 13% for udon noodles, and 6% for soy sauce. His hobbies include sports, travel, and reading. This article about a Japanese politician born in the 1950s is a stub. You can help Wikipedia by expanding it.